Guys, good news. Now you can add your real voice, I mean your natural voice, to Grok AI videos. Amazing! You can add your talking voice as I'm talking like this. You can add it natural to your Grok AI videos and it's come out 100% better and it is 100% free. So I'm going to show you how to achieve that. Something like this.
Yes, as you can hear clearly, this is my real natural voice and I will show you how to add your own voice too. All you need to do for us is to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Crazy, right? Let's get started. Let me show you how to achieve that within few minutes. Let's get started.
To be able to achieve this, come over to your Play Store or Apple Store and then search for Grok. G-R-O-K. Grok. Once you search for it, go ahead to install it to your phone. Then once you install to your phone, click on it to open. Once you open your Grok and sign up using your Google account, this is how the interface is going to look like. So what you have to do is for you to come over to the part where you see imaging. Click on imaging. Once you click on imaging, kindly come down here where you see type to imaging or type to imagine and then click on image. What you need at this point is for you to go ahead to bring in your image that you want to turn into a video, that you want to put your natural voice into. Click on photo library. I'm going to select the image I want to use. So here comes the image I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead to type, create a realistic talking head. What I want at this point is the hands gesture and also the facial expression, the image to look directly to the camera lens. So that is what I want, just that. So I'm going to go ahead to send.
Welcome to our team. I'm excited to share our vision and goals for the upcoming quarter.
You can see that is extremely amazing and exactly what I wanted. So what you have to do, we don't need the voice. You can see even when I did not prompt the image on what to say, Grok AI went ahead to make the image to actually say something. That is very good. So I don't need this sound. So what I have to do is for me to come over to this icon here and then I'm going to mute the sound because I don't need the sound. I want to bring in my own voice to this video. Come down here where you see this drop down arrow here. Click on it to download the video. So let's move on to the next step of bringing our voice to the video. So the next step is for you to come back to Play Store and then search for DreamFace. Click on it to search for. Just go ahead to install it to your phone. Once you install DreamFace to your phone, what you have to do is for you to kindly come and click on it and then open. Go ahead to allow and then use your Google account to sign in. It is very, very simple to navigate. So this is how the interface is going to look like. You can see DreamFace has different features. We have avatar talk / sync. We have image to vid. We have image generate. We have sub features, which is AI filter and dream act, enhance, and a lot of other features. So what we need in this particular tutorial is avatar talk / sync. So you click on it. All right, once you get to this point, what you have to do, you can see some of my projects that I've used this to create before now. So I'm going to cancel. Okay, I'm going to delete. Okay,
I am a DreamFace digital avatar.
So I'm going to come over. You see this plus sign here. Click on it to open so that you can be able to access your gallery to bring in the video that we downloaded from Grok. So I'm going to kindly click on the video, then confirm from here. So here is the video that I want to bring in my voice into, which we downloaded from Grok, remember. Then once you get to this point, the next thing you need to do is for you to click on want avatar to say or sing. So I'm going to click on it. Once you click on that, come over to where you can see text script, type, audio script, search music or any content import, and then record. So what it means here is that you can either bring in maybe already recorded files that you have in your phone. Maybe you've recorded your voice already here. You can see from album, from files. So maybe you've recorded your voice before now that you want to use. You can go ahead to bring in the files. You can as well do the record here. You can do the recording directly from this app. please enable microphone permission first. Enable permission. You go ahead to enable permission, and then you go ahead to record yourself. Okay, so let me click on while using the app. You can go ahead to click on start. Click to start. Once you click on that, it will start recording. Then you start to say whatever you want to say. Also note that record under 30 seconds. If you are using the free versions, you only have 30 seconds limit for you to make your video of only 30 seconds. Take note of that. And then if you are using the pro version, that is paid version, you can record as much as 180 seconds video. Okay, so you should take note of that. So I'm not gonna be using the recording here. I'm not gonna be using that. You can also click on import. Then once I click on import, you see here from files, from album. I'm going to click on from files. So once I click on from files, it will take me to my recording. Okay, the files which I had already recorded. Here is some of my files which I had already recorded. So what I'm going to do is for me to either choose any of these files. Okay, so I may decide to just click on the file, but I just feel that I should do direct recording from there. But anyway, let me click on this welcome video. Here is the voice which I had already recorded before now. So what I have to do, I can as well go ahead to play from here to confirm if it is actually the right file I am selecting. So I'm going to play. Welcome to Victoria Utin's channel. Here, I teach you how to use AI and smart editing tools to create high-quality videos. You can see that is actually my voice, and that is the recording that I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead to click on confirm, because that is the voice. And I tried as much as possible to make sure that the recording falls under the limit of in between 20 to 30 seconds, no, not higher than 30 seconds. So I'm going to click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, wait for it to generate. The next thing that you need to do is for you to go ahead to click on animate.
If you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't liked, what are you waiting for? Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Try as much as possible to share this video with another creator, and also drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know if this is worth it, and if you are going to try this out, let me know in the comment section.
So once you click on animate, it will generate and turn into, it will start generating so that it can bring in your voice into the video. Okay, so you just have to exercise patience for it to count from 0 to 100%. It doesn't really take much time. You can see how fast it is. So wait. Welcome to Victoria Utin's channel. Here, I teach you how to use AI and smart editing tools to create high-quality videos, automate your workflow, and grow a successful, faceless YouTube channel. If this sounds helpful, please like this video and subscribe before we begin. Welcome. That is very great, right? So that is the simple method that you can bring in your natural voice into Grok AI videos. As simple as that, using DreamFace. Now, you can, if you want to download, you come down here where you see this arrow facing downward to download your video. Now, also note that for you to be able to download with higher quality, you have to subscribe to their pro version. You can see here HD Pro. If you want the quality of the video to be very, very amazing and good, you have to go ahead to subscribe. Okay, now for you to remove this DreamFace watermark, you have to also subscribe to their pro version. But anyways, you can actually use CapCut to remove the watermark. Just kindly bring in the video, take the videos to CapCut, and then use your own brand name to cover the watermark. As simple as that. I really hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to give a like. Make sure you like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I'm not taking it for granted. Thank you and God bless you. See you in my next video.
Okay, we've come to the end of today's video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Try as much as possible to share it. Share the video on your WhatsApp status anywhere you want to share the video. You are permitted to share and it is 100% free to share the video. Also, drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know if you are going to try this out. See you in my next one. Bye-bye.